we're back and we've just had our stay in the Holiday Inn Express. Stay tuned to see, is it worth it or is it a load of rubbish? Before we continue any further, click down below, click subscribe, and let's go, guys. And just like our other videos, I'll start you off at the front door here. We've got our fire escape plan right there, and our peephole down below. Locking system, and some door signs. Hang on, I'm still in, and I can't. Oh, I've dropped on the floor. Enjoy a greener stay, and another one of those for some reason. Pop your key card in, just like every hotel, and boom, on go the lights. So right next to the door, before I go in, there's a mirror. You can check your outfits out here. And we've got this lovely wardrobe. It is open, you can't close it off, but in there you've got plenty of coat hangers. The jackets weren't free, they're ours. More coat hangers, iron board, and down below, you can't have an iron board without an iron. And there's some more storage below. You'll find your hairdryer in there, and more space. And just next to this, we've got a kettle and a little tea and coffee station. Plenty of milk, normal coffee, decaf, and some English breakfast tea, and your sugars. Nice little space there, and even more storage below. And there's extra mugs. Didn't even notice them at first. Just beside that, there's our bin. I'll continue on in, and we're greeted by another mirror. I've just noticed these on the wall actually. Can anyone tell me what these are for? I'm thinking that they're hangers or something like that. Yeah, who knows? Across here, we've got our lovely little desk space, nice lamp, and the TV. Now, it's not a huge TV, it's 32 inches. You've got your time, it's set to the right time, but yeah, TV, it's nothing fancy, no gadgets, apps, anything on there. You'll get Freeview, but it does the job. It's all you need in a hotel. Below, there's more space, and a first time seeing this in a hotel, but there's these little hooks. We noticed these when we came in, and I was thinking it's maybe something to do with your pets. It is a pet friendly hotel, so I was thinking maybe it's for their leads or if you're tying them. I've never seen something like that before below a desk. Comment and let me know, because we haven't a clue. Now, behind me, there's this sofa. You'll notice it's quite a strange shape. Quirky, I'll use that word to describe it. But it's not just any sofa. This is a sofa bed. I'm not going to zip it apart. The zips are just under there. I'm not going to zip it apart and fold it all out because I'll probably never be able to get it away. But yeah, that folds out. Maybe you've got extra guests with you. They can keep there for the night. The main feature of the room, however, is a double bed. We have, I'll mention, tried it out before, and it's perfectly fine. You'll get a good night's sleep here, I can promise you that. There's lamps on the side of the bed. I've got that one turned off. For this one's on the other side. where you'll find telephone if you need anything at the reception. You can use that. And just above the bed, there's the air conditioning system. The controls for that are just next to it on the wall. Simple enough. Temperature, fan, and if it wasn't clear enough, there's even instructions. And another feature in this room is actually the view, which I'm really impressed with. It looks out onto the front of the hotel, but if I pan up for you, you can actually see the hills. And the sun is just setting over in the distance there. I'll try and, just right there, that's the Wallace Monument. So yeah, I'm impressed with the view in this room. Up next, we've got the bathroom. So stay tuned, guys. On to the bathroom. Firstly, when you come in, you're greeted by this massive sink area. Plenty of space either side for any of your toiletries. Next to the sink, there's a couple of plastic cups. And if you didn't think one mirror was enough, there's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're not going to run out of mirrors here. And it also comes with some complimentary Dove hand wash. You've got your port here for electric shavers. Something about saving the planet. If that's for you, you do you. And we've got this. Holiday Inn. Good for you. Nice touch. Read over that. Let us know what you think. I thought this was strange. If you need tissues, they're up above. There's the ceiling. Here's the tissues. Down below, we've got our hand towels, regular towels, 2 sets. And this little hook just next to the door. I'll turn around now because we've got our shower. It's nothing fancy, but yep, it does the job. Controls there, space for your toiletries, grab rail and your shower tray. There is a little step, so just watch that whilst you get in. And this little mark, I'm not actually sure what that is. Who knows? And again, we've got some Dove toiletries, body wash and shampoo. I should mention, last time we stayed here, it wasn't Dove toiletries, it was Holiday Inn own brand. I've no complaints with that, but Dove is a bit of an upgrade. I can't promise you'll get that when you do stay though. I think that's a bit of a hit or miss. Now, behind this frosted glass is the toilet. Oh, the toilet. Little shelf, plenty of toilet roll, and some sanitary bags. It's nothing fancy in here, but it does the job, it ticks the boxes, it's all you need. So what did you guys think of the room? We've just been down and we've had our breakfast. And I must say, that was absolutely lovely. Everything freshly prepared, there's a full breakfast options and loads of continental, fresh juice, coffees, the full whack, and it was delicious, I must say. A lot better than breakfasts that I've actually paid for in hotels. So that's a nice touch. The breakfast was complimentary, free of charge, included in the stay. Now this room is just the standard room with a sofa bed option, and it cost us only £70. Now the UK and a lot of the world are tightening our belts with money, and for £70 this is one of the more budget hotel options, and I wouldn't look by a Holiday Inn now after having stayed here for the second time of recent. We've really enjoyed it. The bed was comfy. We got a great night's sleep, free Wi-Fi facilities. I've seen now that Travelodge charges you for Wi-Fi per day for a maximum of 2 devices. Pretty stingy. However, Holiday Inn Express, it's free, so that's great. The Wi-Fi is fast. TV, there's not a lot of gadgets or anything like that on there. You can plug in a USB, but I don't know who's carrying around a USB with things to watch on there when you're going to a hotel. It's the last thing I'd probably think of, but the TV's fine, does the job. The room itself, it's slightly dated, but it ticks those boxes, guys. It's affordable, it's spacious, it's clean. You've got your complimentary toiletries, as I mentioned before. You've got your free Wi-Fi, a comfy bed. What more do you really need? The staff here have been great. When we came in, they were so friendly, chatty. Any query we've had, they've answered. I can't complain about them at all. So, the question I asked at the very beginning, is it worth it? Or is it a load of rubbish? I think it's absolutely worth it. £70 for this stay, can't go wrong with that. Would I come back? Yeah, absolutely. So now you've watched the video, well, I hope so, now you're watching this part. What did you think of it? Is it worth it? Or is it a load of rubbish? You decide. Comment down below, you tell us. But thanks for watching. Thumbs up on the video, and if you can, again, down below, click subscribe. Thanks guys, and until next time, we've been Forest Drills.